Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Fenimore, or 10 miles northeast of Lancaster, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Belmont, Centerville, Linden, Cobb, Ruey, Platte Mounds, London, and Edmond. This includes the following location: Iowa Grant School. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the